What is up, guys? Thank you so much for joining me. We are finishing the engine-ish. Now, by the end of this video, it will be done, but it's pretty late already tonight, and the batteries died in my torque stick, so I cannot torque the rocker arms down tonight, so we'll just finish that tomorrow. But I'll go ahead and show you guys where we're at. Torque the heads down. Obviously, without you guys, I do apologize. I have just been dealing with a sinus infection, so I am pumped on this being done. It's just, sorry if I don't seem happy enough, it's just this is the first day where I don't feel like complete shit. But enough of that. The bottom 10 bolts right here, I will give you guys a quick rundown. You snug them up, run to 22 foot-pounds. Obviously in the torque sequence, just Google it. I set it right here and then just went off of that. But 22 foot-pounds, and then you run it 90 degrees the second go around, and then the third go around you do 90 degrees, except for the last two bolts right here, you run those 50 degrees. Then you do these top 5 bolts right here, you run those 22 foot-pounds. Yeah. And I used this right here. I used this angle gauge. Tony brought it by because the one that I bought is that exact same one actually, but it was not working for me. Last night was fairly stressful. I was kind of freaking out, but he saved the night by swinging by with that. Let's see if we can go ahead and get you guys in here a little bit. It's not the prettiest, but it will work. My carbide bit, it like just kept heating up, and then yeah, you guys know with aluminum it gets hot. But got it done. They do clear. I will show you guys a bit later that they do clear. And I'm just happy because it's looking like an engine again. Like, I'm excited. Also, I am very happy because the Silverado is in the shop finally. What we're gonna do is, actually what I'm gonna do, just for the night, I'm gonna get some of this shit out of the way because the battery is dying on my camera. Apparently I didn't charge it from the last video. So I'm just gonna take like intake off, just different shit, I'll get it off. I won't pull the engine without recording some of it. But just kind of the boring stuff, like taking the grill out, all that. I won't bore you guys with that. So yeah, I guess let me get one of the rocker arms on just to show you guys. Alright guys, I just threw 2 of them on for right now. You guys don't get to see all of them just yet. So, as you guys can see, they do move now. Can't really see in there, but yeah, there is more than enough room now. And just so you guys know, I did tape off the valve springs really well, just so there was no metal shavings that got in there. I cleaned the heads really well before I installed them. There's no metal shaving, so we're good to go on that. So tomorrow we'll get them all in, and I guess I'll answer my next question is if they're gonna clear the stock valve cover, which I hope they do, but if they don't, worst case scenario is I order a spacer. Woohoo! I could not wait to show you guys this. I don't know if you guys are as excited as I am, but oh, I've wanted these for so long. And the engine is like coming together, so like everything's awesome right now with this. But where was I going with that? I brought each cylinder to top dead center before installing them. I did dip the threads in oil before I put them into the head. I got them snug, and then I got them down to 22 foot-pounds. So I torqued them down to 22 foot-pounds. With the push rods, the end that went into the lifter, I used the assembly lube, and then on the end that goes into the ball or the cup of the rocker arm, I used grease. I don't have the other side done yet. As you can see, they're over here soaking still. I've got about another half hour or so before those are in. I just couldn't wait to show you guys. Like, those are awesome. I'm just glad things are finally moving forward. I did get a late start today again. So all I've got is the fan off, shroud out of the way, intake tube, disconnected the headers, just been disconnecting a lot of wiring, drain the oil, I'm about to drain the coolant. I just got a late start today because I've got some bad news about the bus engine. I just can't really say much right now on it. I'll have a video on that later. But for now, I'm letting those soak, and then I'm going to keep plugging away on the truck. Then we will find out if they hit the valve covers or not. Got you guys set up best I can. Got the valve cover in. I just have 2 screws just so it doesn't fall off if bad things happen. So let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure even you guys can see that. Alright. So as you guys can see, that just wasn't gonna work. I ended up ordering the spacers. It is now a few days later, and yeah, I'll show you guys. So this is how they ended up showing up. Let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go. As you can see, there's no room for a gasket. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what I ended up with. It's a bit thin. And to be honest, I don't even know if these are the same spacers. They're completely different. So I ended up sending an email to them to see what the heck's going on. Hopefully they get back to me soon. It is the weekend, so I probably won't hear back till Monday. And then we can just kind of go from there. But I know a lot didn't get done in this video. I was really hoping to just get that done and then tear the engine out. But I will end up getting the engine out this weekend, so I'm just gonna upload this video to give you guys just a little update what's going on with the engine. That way tomorrow I can just get in the shop and yank the engine out, and I'll record that for you guys. I'll probably just do bits and pieces just so I don't bore you guys. And yeah, we can just keep going from there. So I do apologize that we didn't get the engine pulled, but we will get it pulled tomorrow, and I will have a video of that for you guys, hopefully Monday or Tuesday. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great night.